Hello guys, welcome to Ultimate Forex. Uh, let's see the gold chart. This is the 4 minute chart, and this is how I labeled. As we discussed yesterday, we are in a W X and Y correction. So this WXY pattern was the correction of this impulse wave from the 1704 to 1732. So we can give this is as a first wave. This is 0, this is 1, and this one is 2. Correction is complete over here, 1713. So as we have give the level buying level around 1716, now new impulse wave has been started. So let's go inside the this wave, and let's first discuss about this WXY. See, this is the ABC, W, this is X, and this one is Y. A, B, and C. So you can see this is the beautiful structure. Now either it is X wave or new impulse, because this is the complex correction. So it may like a W, X, Y, X, and Z. So this one is either X wave or new impulse wave. So let's see how we can go inside the levels. Okay. So you can see this one is a minor impulse wave. So this is one, two, three. This one is four is going on. Either it may complete here four and fifth. Let's check with the Fibonacci ratio. See, the second wave is, yeah, nearly 61.8 percentage. You can see here 61.8 percentage, and the fourth wave correction is, let's check the correction. Yeah, it is exactly 38.2 percentage. See, 38.2 percentage, because this is the deep correction and this one is shallow correction. The alternation rule has been applied. And fifth wave, assume the fifth wave is, yeah, it may 38.2 percentage or 61.8. So it may revert from the 1730 or 1733. So assume we go up to the 1733, then we may see a correction like this. This one, A, B, and C. So this whole correction is up to the 50 percentage of this impulse. So this is in between this level. 1721 or 23. So what is our next buying level is this level. After achieve this fifth wave, we may see a correction and we may buy here. So where we are now, we are in a this is the second wave. Let's see the new. This one is 0, 0. Here completed 1. Here completed 2. Or either it is a new impulse wave or a one more correction like WXYXZ. So this is 2 and we are in a third wave. So So this is the sub waves of the third wave. So sub waves like this. This one is 0. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third wave is like this. So we are in a third wave, and this is the sub waves of the third wave. So after completion this zigzag, we may see a big move towards the 1755. So let's see where it is complete, and this is the good buying level. So what you can do, you can buy here around 1721 with the stop loss of this is low 1712, long position around 1712, and target is next impulse level. Then we count the next level, next waves. So hope you guys understand this analysis. So let's revise again. This is the one, this is 2WXY, either to complete here or here. So it doesn't matter is it completed here or here. Matter is we have to get this run up to the 1755. So yesterday we have given signal here 1716. So who have the position around here 1716, they can book the profit here 1733 or 30 and buy at the lower level 1721. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3 may complete around 1755 and 5th. 5th have 1767. So let's see what happened today. If you like my videos and analysis, then you can subscribe and share it to any another needy persons. Okay, thank you.